Herbal teas are usually the first aid in the treatment of numerous ailments. Some people would rather drink a cup of green tea instead of going to their doctor. They may be right, you know. We know that green tea is an excellent choice, but when you are sick, caffeine-free herbal teas can do miracles for you. We will show you how to prepare the healthiest tea ever, plus it will help you fight stubborn cold and menstrual cramps. The greatest thing about this tea recipe is that it uses simple, all-natural ingredients. We have provided some useful instructions, so you better hurry and get that teapot steaming. Honey ginger cinnamon tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon raw organic honey, 1½ cup filtered water, 1 stick Ceylon cinnamon, a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Preparation: heat the water in a small saucepan, preferably on a medium-high heat. Chop the ginger for the time your water boils. Once it reaches the boiling point, add in the ginger. Turn the heat on low, and wait until it reduces to a simmer. Add in the cinnamon and simmer for another 5 minutes. Strain the tea, and add your honey and lemon juice after it cools slightly. Enjoy your healing tea. Here are the benefits you will get. Treats flu. Ginger is your best friend. It soothes the symptoms of cold and flu, due to its high gingerol levels. Gingerol is a compound with strong antibacterial and antiviral power. You need these in the fight against flu and common cold. Ginger root relieves lung inflammation and muscle pain caused by the infection. Honey is one of the greatest foods on earth. It coats the lining of the throat and soothes swelling and sore throat. You will no longer deal with the pain caused by severe coughing. Relieves menstrual cramp. Ginger has many benefits, including the ability to soothe menstrual cramps. Ginger inhibits pro-inflammatory prostaglandins and thromboxanes. These are major causes for the pain and discomfort women feel during their cycle. Ginger root reduces the loss of blood in women who deal with heavy menstrual bleeding, HMB. Relieves nausea. Ginger is of great assistance in the treatment of migraine, nausea and vomiting. Parents like to give their children some ginger to prevent motion sickness. Medical experts treat cancer patients with ginger after they undergo chemotherapy. Ginger is the thing you need to take whenever you have trouble digesting food or feel bloated. Soothes arthritis symptoms. According to the researchers at the University of Miami, ginger extract can be used instead non-steroidal and anti-inflammatory drugs, SADs. Their study involved 250 individuals who were diagnosed with knee osteoarthritis. The patients were given ginger as a solution to their pain, stiffness, and discomfort in the knees. It showed a 40% improvement, unlike the placebo treatment. Natural treatment for cancer. The latest study has shown that ginger destroys abnormal cancer cells in 2 ways. It induces apoptosis, or cancer cell death, suicide, and autophagy, a condition in which mutated cells eat themselves. Ginger has been long studied as a potential cure for ovarian cancer. Our natural tea is great for your overall health, and there is no reason for you not to try it. Share your opinion with others and whoever needs its benefits.